To set up lighting, we will tap on the menu with the sun icon to show the lighting panel, where you have control over the shading and the light setup. You can either hide or show paint, or use the materials from the matte cap for your model. To add lights to your scene, just tap on the Add Light button. There are 4 different light types available in Nomad Sculpt. Whenever you have the lights selected on the top, their lighting panel is going to show up. You can tap on here and choose the different light types you want. We will use the spotlight in this case, so we have more control over which area is shining on. Look from the top view, we can move the light back because I want to create a rim type of thing quickly. Move the green dots. That's a target point. You can use that as an aiming control. See, it snaps to the mesh automatically depending on where you move it to. Pretty handy. Somewhere like 8 or 10, that's enough. That's pretty good a rim light from behind. And we can move to left or right, so it's not so perfectly behind. And we are going to create another light by hitting the Add Light button there. And we're going to move it. Give the light some color to better suit for Gengar's atmosphere. Maybe more blue, bluish purple. Move the light direction. Let's say if we do it something like this, experimental. Maybe something like this for now. So it's shaped from the right. And instead of adding another field light, I want to turn on the environment lighting. If you tap on that, check the box, and reset some of the settings here as a starting point, and starting with totally darkness. Okay, apparently since there's high dynamic range, so you can turn all the way down. So we just bring it really low, almost black, and kind of bring back up to the point that it feels readable but not over bright. A little bit creepy, mysterious vibe for Gengar. We can start rotating. I like using this environment, the HDR, because it got different color in one. Before we go too far on the lighting setup, let's adjust the background color quickly. Let's go back to lighting, and we can play around a bit here. We help you find the environment lighting you like to use. If we go back to the first one we choose, and we can dial it down a little bit like that. And at this time, we say yes, maybe that's a good starting point already. And I want to bring down the contrast a little bit to pop Gengar out a little bit more.